Gates open, they're up and racing. Livingstone, as expected, draws for your lead. Moving up on the outside, Domek. Boss Pogi running in between runners. Then followed over by Foxtrot. My Perpy comes next, followed by Western Jump. 10A Pay to See running alongside. Next in line, Swab Tiger. Nice and easy, while Backyard Bully is running at the tail of the field. Moving towards the back, we have Livingstone in command by 3/4 of a length lead. And running on the outside, Domek. Moving up now on the outside is the favorite, My Perpy Boss Pogi. Racing in for at this moment, followed by Foxtrot in fifth. Then running in 6 comes 10A Pay to See. Running in 7th is entry number 4. That's Swab Tiger as they turn towards the last 600. Livingstone still leading the field by about a length and a half. Running in second, My Perpy. Foxtrot now getting closer in third. Boss Pogi running on the outside. Swab Tiger is racing in fifth as they turn towards the last 450. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. My Perpy, Livingstone running in between runners, sneaking in down on the inside. Foxtrot and Swab Tiger now in fourth. With the last 150 more to run, three runners are fighting it out for the lead. Foxtrot now takes the lead. My Perpy in between runners. Livingstone, Swab Tiger is on the outside and leading the finish line. It's going to be Foxtrot, Swab Tiger, My Perpy, Livingstone, Boss Pogi. For your Pentapecta, then comes Pay to See, Nice and Easy, Domek, Backyard Bully, and Western Champ.